Hey everyone, the purpose of this video is to show you how to create your extended learning Google Meet and then also what it looks like for students when they want to join. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click and go to your Google Meet app. Once here, you'll click join or start a meeting. We're going to name these with your last name and then EL for extended learning. Once you do so, you're simply going to click join now, and then this link is your permanent link for this Google Meet. Now I'd like to show you what this looks like. I'm going to exit out of this current Google Meet, and then I'm going to simply take that URL that I pasted and hit enter, and it takes me right back to the Gilchrist EL Google Meet. I'm going to click join now so that I'm in, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student side. I'll change over to my daughter's account, and I'm going to click down to her Google Meet. And notice how she can't join or create a meeting, but she can use a meeting code. And I'm going to simply type in Gilchrist EL, hit enter, and it goes straight to the Gilchrist EL Meet that I just created. I can click join now, and you'll notice that both myself as a teacher and my daughter as a student are in the Google Meet. The only warning that I would provide you is if myself as a teacher X's out of this Google Meet, you'll notice that my daughter as a student can stay here and is not kicked out automatically. However, if I X out of this and then log in as my daughter or as a student, and try to join the Gilchrist EL Meet before I open it as a teacher, it will not work. You'll notice that you are not allowed to start a meeting, pops up at the bottom left corner. So it is safe that students cannot join the meeting before you do. However, if you leave the meeting before they do, they can stay in the meeting without you.